Hello friends, my name is Ajay and I am from eTechnoMind. In this video, I'll teach you 4 vocabulary words with fun. I'll apply ICP technique. If you are wondering what is ICP technique, then please watch our video on Remember Anything with Ease. Let us start vocabulary words. First word is aftermath. The meaning of aftermath is result of something, result of an unpleasant event or action. In Hindi, we call it parinam. So aftermath means parinam or result. Synonyms are after effect, consequence, outcome. Now I'll do the C part of ICP. I'll divide aftermath in 2 parts, after and math. So here we are connecting a new word aftermath with those 2 words after and math which are already in our memory. Now comes I part, imagination. We have to imagine a story. There is a boy who is not interested in maths, जिसे maths पसंद नहीं है. After reading lot of maths, he appeared in his exam. Create this story in your mind. Imagine. After reading maths, he appeared in the exam. When the result came, his score was 0. His ma'am gave him 0 anda. So what was his result? 0 anda. So the meaning of aftermath is result. Let us use the word aftermath in sentences. Let us not worry about aftermaths of flood. We are fully prepared. So when flood takes place, it gives devastating results. So we are saying let us not worry about aftermaths of flood. We are fully prepared. We have seen the aftermaths of World War II, so we don't want war. Aftermaths means results of any war are always destruction. These are destructing results. So nobody wants war. Let us see next word. Belching. The meaning of belching is act of expelling air from the stomach through the mouth with noise. So if I'll tell you the meaning of belching in Hindi, it will be more clear to you. Belching means डकार लेना. जब हम कुछ उल्टा सुल्टा खा लेते हैं, उसके बाद हमारे पेट में गड़बड़ होती है and डकार starts. So the meaning of belching is dakar. I'll divide it in 2 parts. Bell plus chewing. Bell means ghanti and chew means chabana. That is C part. Now create the story. There is a bell who was chewing pizza. Make something funny in your mind. When she chewed pizza, it created disorder in her stomach and she started crying like this, and dakar started coming out from her mouth. So belching means dakar. Create this funny story in your mind and you will never forget the meaning of belching. Use of belching. Stomach disorder often leads to belching. You can use this word belching in this way also. You went to an industrial area and you saw some chimneys. Smoke was coming out. So you can apply the word belching. Chimneys were belching smoke in industrial area. Next word, extravagant. Extravagant means having no control on spending money or resources. In Hindi, we call it फिजूल खर्च, फालतू का पैसा बर्बाद करना. This habit is called extravagant. Synonyms are spendthrift, wasteful, thriftless. Now let us divide extravagant. C part, connect it with those words which are already in your mind. Extra, bag, and. You can sometimes distort the words. It was extra plus VAG. I have used BAG. You can do that for creating something funny in your mind. Story part. There is an ant. She went to a shopping mall. She bought a bag. Something came in her mind and she bought an extra bag. Now she was very happy because she was having 2 bags. Now what happened? She reached to home. Her mother started shouting on her. What the hell you did? Why you bought the second bag? Why you bought extra bag? Why you wasted money? So the meaning of extravagant is wastage of money, fizul kharch. Create this funny story in your mind. Let us see the use of extravagant. My brother has extravagant personality. He spends money on useless gifts. Rahul bought extravagant engagement ring. Next word, surge. So the meaning of surge is sudden increase in something. If something is increasing suddenly, you can use the word surge. In Hindi, meaning of surge is वृद्धि. कोई चीज का बढ़ना is called surge. Synonyms are burst, फट जाना किसी चीज का अचानक से, rush, rise. Let us divide surge in 2 parts. Sir plus G. So this is connect part. Now create a story. That is very, very important. I part, imagine in a funny way. Imagine about your sir. कोई भी sir आप ले लो. He is very smart. He is slim and trim. Look here, his tummy is very slim and trim. Now something happened to him. He suddenly disappeared. And when he appeared, his shape was something like this. उनकी टमी एकदम से बढ़ गई. There was sudden increase in his tummy. So the meaning of surge is sudden increase. If you will create this kind of funny experience in your mind, you will never forget the meaning of surge. Use the surge in sentences. Surge in the prices of diesel is creating dent in our pocket. डीजल की जो प्राइसेस बढ़ रही हैं अचानक से बहुत ज़्यादा, that is creating dent in our pocket. जेब खाली कर रही है हमारी. Surge in electric voltage burnt our home appliances. अचानक से इलेक्ट्रिक वोल्टेज बढ़ी और हमारा होम अप्लायंसेस जल गए. At last, I'll always say that understand the meaning of learn. Learn means license to earn. If you will learn more and more, you will earn more and more in your life. So please, never stop learning irrespective of your age. Thank you for watching this video. We will bring such knowledgeable videos for you. I always say that create funny experiences for your mind and then you will never forget. Thank you very much. Have a bright, prosperous and healthy future. Thank you.